All right, Dave, thank you. Well, new tonight, hundreds of recycled oyster shells now being put to work along the Lowcountry coast, part of a larger effort to slow erosion and restore marshland.
News 4's Jane Caroline Fusco takes us out to Oldtown Creek for a look at the work underway.
What started as a pile of recycled shells is now turning into something much bigger, a line of defense right along the Lowcountry coast. Along this Lowcountry shoreline, 550 bags filled with recycled oyster shells are finally being put into place.
Oyster reefs are nature's way of stopping erosion, so it's a defense system for the rest of the ecosystem. It's also kind of a home for the rest of the ecosystem.
And they start working right away.
A single adult oyster can filter 2.5 gallons of water an hour, and this is going to be home to almost 1 million oysters.
But getting to this point takes months of volunteer work, from recycling shells to cleaning them to building the reefs by hand.
Cleaning the trash out of the oyster shells in the fall, helping make the bags that we deployed out today, building MWRs or manufactured wire reefs, and then full circle throughout the year we end up deploying them, watching the reefs grow and doing it all over again the next year.
This project is part of a larger effort to restore marshland that's already been lost.
This section of marsh experienced a large dieback event in 10 years, roughly 10 years ago, where all of the Spartina grass turned into mudflat.
And in communities like Maryville, this kind of restoration is about more than the marsh. It's about protecting the people who live next to it.
There's a lot of flooding in our area. There are a lot of mold issues due to the flooding, and these oyster beds help to prevent, or at least help to mediate, some of that flooding and some of the natural habitat degradation.
And this is the moment it all comes together. As these bags hit the water, they start doing the job that they were made for, protecting the shoreline and supporting marine life. On Oldtown Creek, Jane Caroline Fusco, News 4.